my channel. This is Mark's Mods, and today, guys, we're going to be doing our Lamborghini Miura build. So we're going to do stage 63 of Build a Lamborghini Miura, and touch wood, not much to do, but you know, with this model, it could be caused any other problems with it. So yeah, again, we're not using the parts that we've got in stage 63. No, we're using the parts that we got in stage 62. Don't know why the models do that. I really don't know why Partworks do that. Please use the parts from the previous issue. Strange, you know. I've got both are doing it at the moment. We've got the Miura and we've got the camper that are saying use the parts in the previous issue. But it is what it is, and we must continue with the build. So I'm sure we will catch up and we will be on the right parts for the right issue in the near future. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let's get on with the build today. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so stage 63 is fitting the front, left, upper, wishbone, arm and torsion bar. Very interesting. Okay, so like I said, we need all the parts that we got from stage 62. And we need to bring our front end across here, as you can see. And it's basically asking us to identify the two holes that are there. And then what it wants us to do, which is rather strange, is it wants us to bring these to this piece here. So with these four lugs here, they want to be facing upwards. We're going to put this into place. Now, I wish the instructions were a little bit clearer, but they're not. Okay, so with that in place, what we need to do next is we need to put in the two supports. Okay, which are these pieces here. So this is piece A and this is piece B. And they're going to want to go in just down there. Now, it's a strange, I don't know what to say really, because this is building like I've never really built before. So I'm just wondering, just seeing how these go. So right, okay. I'll put the wishbone back in a sec. But okay, so I think I've figured it out. But this is going to be rather not the easiest to do, I can say that. Okay, so let's put the whatever it is, wishbone arm in place, and then these are simply going to lock it in place. But the problem is, you've got the suspension arm in place. Let me try the overhead camera. It's not easy because again we've got black on black part. So you want to be going in they're just going to fall out, that's the thing. I can't really move that suspension arm out of place because this has got to go over the top of it. So this is interesting. I think I might get one in and screw it in, because this does not look the easiest thing to do. Trim. I mean, this Miura is nice, but my word, is it just built strange. I'm just trying my tweezers here. Trying. Right, that's one in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and screw that in now before I put the other one in. Okay, so these are going in with D screws. We are going into metal. So if I can get this one on and get it majority of the way down, and then I'll put the other thing in. What gets me is these little blocks are sort of plastic. Come on. I'm going to have to get that all the way in because it's a difficult screw. Okay, right, so now we'll try block A. Goodness me. I'm hoping this goes in a lot easier. Now we have block B. One of my horns has just come out. Fix that in a sec. Come on. I did not think that this would be hard. It's very limited space down in there. Oh, something else has just fallen off. It's turning into a Rossi, is this? Right, well that's in place, but it hasn't got the Wishbone arm in place. So, right, that is in place. De-screw quickly, or it falls out. Okay, that's that in. I'm just going to put these bits back in. That one went up there, and then that went in there. Right, okay, so we've done that part now. That was not great at all. Okay, so the next piece we need is this piece. This is just going to go down just at this bottom hole down here, just like that. Then it says that it actually can fit onto the bottom, so there's a lug there, and that's just going to fit onto there just like that. And that is all there is to do in this stage. Wow, that was a nightmare. That really was an absolute nightmare to do, getting them little blocks in. And then guess what? Next week we're going to do exactly the same again. So yeah. Ah, great. But that is stage 63 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Lamborghini Miura. That was tough. Them little pieces were really hard to get in, and you really had to use tweezers. Not the easiest. Now, I'm really concerned about that one because them little bits are only plastic and they seem to be holding in the wishbone. So, I really don't know what's going to happen with that one. I'll have to keep an eye on that because that doesn't seem to be strong enough. Even though they're going in there with metal screws, yeah, I'll have to definitely keep an eye on that. Now, probably next week we're going to be doing exactly the same thing. We're going to be using stage 63 parts with stage 64, but it's just the way this model is, and it's turning out to be quite a fiddly one lately. This pack is really testing my skills on doing part works, for sure. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up, really helps a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.